Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your most requested reading. Yes, friends, charms reading. This is singles. Who is coming next for you, or what is coming next for you in your love life and life in general? This is a charms reading. I have my charms here. This is for the month of April, but you can watch it anytime, friends, because this is a timeless reading. It's gonna resonate with you. Make sure to subscribe, friends. Magic Wednesday Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share because you get a chance to win a free reading if you subscribe. Only those who subscribe, one lucky person. Our subscriber will be selected at the end of every month. So subscribe, like, share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. Also, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And friends, this is a charms reading, and today's choices are so beautiful. Do you like them? I love them actually. They are mermaids, mermen, fairies. Very beautiful, very good looking. So this is what's coming next in love. Who is coming next in love? Singles. If you are a single person, even if not, you can watch it for curiosity because we have the charms here. So let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, and choose option number one, this beautiful King of Cups. What a gorgeous card. Look at it. Beauty. Absolute stunning. Option number two, the King of Wands, the red King of Wands. Sorry for the glare on the cards. It's just not possible to avoid it. Option number three, the King of Pentacles, the Green King. Matches with my nail color. So friends, take a deep breath, relax, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly go and skip there. And you can also choose more than one option, friends. You can watch the entire reading because this is a charms reading, so make sure you can watch it entirely also. So let's see what's happening for pile number 1. Who's coming? Singles, who's coming for you? Pile 1, those who chose this beautiful, the King of Cups, this very beautiful blue king. If you chose, amazing. I feel someone very loving, someone very mature, understanding. Look what the card says. Someone very understanding is coming towards you, and this is a mature kind of a love, a love you can count on, a love which is profound. And I love the way this king is glowing all around. Look at this. There is this glow around this king, like the aura is glowing. Their aura is glowing. So beautiful, amazing. Let's see, pile 1. These are your oracle messages. This is your love romance message. We're gonna look at the charms also. Let's see who is coming for option number 1 in April. Oh, friends. Who right now you're feeling very burdened. You have a lot on your plate. And you're not at all feeling happy. I do see you feeling upset, you feeling burdened. You may have been in relationships which were draining, relationships which were one-sided, relationships where you had to do all alone, everything alone. You were just. I also feel this is not just about love. This is how you feel in life. You're working very hard. You have a lot of responsibilities. You have a lot of pressures, and you feel left out. You feel alone. It is like you have been through a very hard life or hard path, a hard journey. Since the last 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, you had been through a lot, friends. You have been through a lot, and it's not been easy. I think you have been carrying other people's responsibilities, their pressures, maybe family pressures are also on you. And even in love, people put their blame on you and just walk out. They just walk out. I feel this is also you, our viewers. This beautiful, kind hearted person you are. You're very giving and nurturing, but people have abused your trust. People have kind of misused or put blame on you for their shortcomings, and right now you're feeling very burdened. I also feel workload is too much. There is too much workload on your plate, so you are like, oh, when will this end? You can't focus on love, because you are really doing a lot alone. Nine of Wands, so you are very close to coming to a fresh start. I do see that this is not a time to give up on love. You're almost at that point where you want to give up on love. You don't believe in love, or you have given up on searching for this person. Almost, you're almost there. You are like, nah, we won't find a love. We can't find somebody like who is dependable, who is loyal, everything mature, everything. You can't find it. You are almost giving up on love. But the spirit wants to tell you, don't give up. Don't give up. You're very, very close. 9 and 10, you have almost, this part is over. This journey is over. But the new one is about to start. A new journey is about to start, and something better is on its way to you. So I do feel that if you're planning to give up on love, don't do that. If you are planning to give up on a project, don't do that. You are gonna win, and some things are going to shift for you. You're very, very close. Keep charging, keep moving forward. And look at that, 3 of Swords. You have a closed heart right now. I'm surprised you are even at this reading, because you're not feeling very lovey-dovey. You're not feeling that love is a good thing. You're upset with love. Your heart has been broken many times, maybe 3 times, maybe more times, or someone you really loved, they shattered your heart, and you are still recovering. You are still recovering. But again, you see this aura. You see this aura around this heart also. This is actually a transformation. You are changing, you are transforming, and good things are coming. So don't give up on love, or on yourself, or on life. Keep walking, keep moving forward. A new day is about to happen, and I know you are fed up, because you have been going through a lot since a long time. 8 years, 10 years, 3 years, 4 years. This is tough. It's not easy. It's not easy to stay strong all this while. Things will change, friends. Things are about to change. Hold on. Don't give up. So, who is coming for you? Let's see that. I think right now your focus is in April also. Your focus mostly will be on work, career, money issues, on making your work successful, your money, getting more money, getting more. Your focus is mostly on work. Look at that. You're very focused. You're turning your back to love in April. But I do feel that even though you are focusing on money, you're focusing on success, you're focusing on your business, your career, your money, your education, but even then, love is coming your way. Whether you like it or not, whether you want it or not, that is how love is. When you don't want it, it immediately drops in your lap. That's how love is. When we are chasing after love, love flies away. When we don't want it, love is after us. So I do feel that you have come a long way, and this is a time to be proud of yourself. Pile number 1, you have been through a tremendous journey alone, and you have taken heartbreak, you have taken pressures, you have taken others' blames on yourself, others' responsibility, and look what an amazing queen or a king you have become. Be proud of yourself, be proud. And I think that's the reason you are becoming so amazing, that nobody matches up to your level now. You're so beautiful and so strong and so powerful, and at the same time you are so large hearted, so people are a little scared. So I do feel people coming towards you will get a little spooked because of your energy, your confidence, your power, your magnetism. You definitely are 50 shades of gray. Not that you are bad, but just that you're powerful. Power has an intensity, it has a different aura, it has a different energy, and you can see in her eyes. Look at her eyes, the focus on her face. She gets what she wants, right? You get things done in your life. So I'm surprised you're watching this reading, probably because you love us, Magic Wens Tarot. You love us, right? Thank you so much. We love you also. And we are really proud of the journey you have taken till now. So let's see who is coming towards you. I do see there might be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person coming towards you. Let's see. Hermit, definitely a Virgo person or Taurus person. I do see someone from the past is thinking about you, someone who has been a hermit, someone who has not been in touch, not been in contact, someone who is completely disappeared from your life, ghosted you, blocked you, whatever. I see this person has been in darkness, or this person has not been in touch with you since a long time. I see them reaching out to you in April, trying to talk to you. This person could be your ex, or someone who ghosted you, or someone who just plain disappeared from your life. They just disappeared, breaking your heart, and you were like, what happened to them? Are they even alive? Yes, this person is alive. Thank God for that. We don't want them to be, gone from the world. Nope, we want them here. Everybody is needed here on earth, at least right now. As many good people as we need. We need a lot of good people right now. All right, all right. So they are coming back. They are thinking about you and your ex, or whoever this is, a friend zone person, someone who broke your heart, someone who disappeared from your life. I do feel they are coming back towards you, and they want to reach out to you. This could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, definitely a double Virgo or a double Taurus, like their sun sign, rising sign is in Taurus, Taurus, Virgo, Virgo. So double Capricorn energy, Capricorn earth energy, double very strong earth energy, I feel. And they feel this person is really slow. You felt burdened by this person because they put entire blame on you, or something happened with this ex. I too feel they want to reach out to you. They want to break this cold ice of their heart, and they want to reach out to you and say sorry. Three of Cups, yes, they want to be your friend again. They want to be, I do see that they will try to message you or call you out for date or friendly meetings or something. I do see that you will be hanging more, going on friendly dates in April. So love is more friendly, and friends, like love is coming through friendships, your common friends and all those people. I also see this person may have been a friend zone person, someone you friend zoned, or they have friend zoned you, or once you were friend with them, but now you are no longer in contact with them. This person disappeared, or you showed them away, shoot them away from your life. They want to come back. They will reach out to you in April. Make sure of that. Or they might meet you on a common friends party, or some sort of a wedding or celebration, or family, some sort of a gathering. You might meet this person at an official event or something, or a book opening. I don't know. Maybe a band session. I don't know. You will meet this person somewhere, and it will surprise you. It will shock you. You are like, you are here. I thought you were dead. My God, you are crisp. You guys are crisp. I love your power. Seriously, that's you talking here. Page of Pentacles, yeah. This person could be younger than you, or this person is slightly immature. I do feel like, you are their missing piece. Like, look at this pentacle they are having, and look at the one you have. I feel this person is looking for their other half, and they feel it is you. There may be some age gap between you and this person, and I do see that this person is scared of your intensity, or they feel like they were not ready for love in the past, but now they are. I do see this person reaching out to you in April, or trying to offer you something, or trying to be just friends with you, trying to reopen things again with you. I also see that, I don't know, will you accept them or not, but a breakthrough in your love life is coming, and it is destined. This is a destined breakthrough which is coming. I think April is the month, pile number one, that will shift your love life, that will break you, this long, hard journey you are coming from. It will give you a victory, a spiritual victory, and that is after this spiritual victory, you're gonna find love. You're gonna find a reward. You're gonna be crowned the prince or the king, or the princess, or the empress, because you have been through a lot. So love is gonna crown you. I'm so happy for you guys, friends. This says, I know you have been alone, or maybe you have been through very tough marriages or something. I don't know what you have been. It has been tough, and a victory is coming in April. And I do see a new love, a new romance, a victory in love is coming. For some of you, it will be with this past person. But I see for most of you, you may not, it's 50-50. I see that you may not choose this past person, even though they are coming back. They will try to offer you romance. They will try to date you again, or try to talk to you through common friends, or, meet you or somewhere. But I don't know if you will talk with them or not, but a victory is there. I think this person reaching out to you will be a victory for you, a sense of victory that yes, you have won a battle. I do see a new connection also coming your way, Ace of Rods. So a passionate connection is also coming your way, and I feel this is a new person, new connection, and this is your reward. This person is your, ticket to romance, ticket to Rome, Italy, France. I don't know where you wanna go. This person is your ticket to victory, ticket to your heart. Yes, ooh, this is a hot romance. This is a new person, and this is a very hot connection. You're gonna be, you're gonna like them in the first talk or the first meeting, or the minute they see your eyes meet. Each other's eyes meet. They're gonna fall in love with you. This is like it will start as passion. It will start as passion. This intense attraction between you and them, and I feel this person is this king. Look at them. Look at their eyes. They have similar eyes like you, very focused on you. They have eyes which are focused on you. This is a mature love. Look at this, a very mature love. This is like perfect, a match made in heaven. You want something solid, they want something solid. You want commitment, they want to give you that. They want to tell you you are their queen of their heart, the king of their heart, and they are mature, they are loving, they are giving. And I know you so deserve this, pile number one. You deserve it in every way. And Page of Cups. So yes, it is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person coming towards you in April. So I do see two people coming, new proposals coming, a stunning, very, very strong romance. I don't know if this will last or not. I do see that it has a potential, but I see, pile number one, you are very focused on work. So even though there is a strong potential of romance, you may take some time with this person, because your focus is entirely on work. You will take some time to know them, and I do feel they will win you. They will win, they will wait for you, they will always be there for you, because they are an understanding person, they are a mature lover. They see your eyes. When your eyes meet, something will click, and it will be, communications will start, romance will start. They will offer you their heart, and they will never let you go. I'm telling you that this person is different. Who is this person? For pile number one, who's coming? And I do see this past person coming towards you also, but I don't know if you will accept their love or not. So I see two energies there, between worlds. Yes, I do feel it will take you some time to say yes, even to the mature lover, even to this intense new connection. And but once you say it, it's gonna be the best love of your life. Yes, breathe. You are taking it slow in your love life, and I do see that someone will chase you, they will sweep you off your feet, they will work hard for you, round and round. Yeah, you don't want a connection that repeats itself, that is like all your past heartbreaks. You don't want that. You are very careful now, that you don't want anything which waste your time. Pile number one. That's why you are taking it easy in your love life, even after this stimulating attraction and all this. You will take it easy, and look at that, a change in the wind, a new romance is coming. I do feel you will meet this person while traveling, or while shifting homes, or while they are moving in your city, or while they are shifting or traveling to your city. And fated, yes, this is a fated union, this is a fated connection, this is something that's you have a victory. Look at that, 1 2 3 4. This is something you have earned. You have walked this path, and you have reached this place where this mature love can be yours. And still, if you don't give this reading likes and views, friends, I don't know what you will give, because this is epic. This is beautiful. I love it. Let's see what else. Let's see how your relationship will be. Ooh, pride. Wow, I think this person will be your pride. This person will make you proud of themselves and the connection. I love myself and I see myself in everyone. I think this new person will also be very, very proud that they have you or your love by their side. They have your yes or they have your friendship. They are very proud to know you, and you're gonna be very proud to know them also. So what a wonderful connection. Let's see what else, how this connection will be for you, this new connection will be for you in April. Big picture, number 23. So number 23 is important. Maybe you will meet in the 23rd, on the 23rd or something like that. Big picture, yeah, I do feel that you are busy, so initially you will not be very warm to this new person, but focus on the future, big picture. Don't be too quick to say no. Focus on the big picture, focus on the larger future. Give them some time, give them some space. I do feel this is a fated connection. You must give them a chance. Don't just too quickly say no. We'll see with the charms also. Let's see what else. Healing begins. Yes, friends, your heart is gonna heal and amazing love is coming your way, so keep your options open. I do see with the past lover also some things will be resolved. I don't know if you will take it forward or not. Maybe for some of you there is a chance of healing with the ex-lover, ex-husband, wife, twin flame, and things getting better there. And lead, yes, you are leading, friends, you are leading, you are taking charge of your life. And I do see you're attracting a lot of people in April, because you are this leader and everyone is watching you. Everyone wants to have a lover like you. Everyone wants to be by your side because it makes them proud, to know you, to be in love with you. And you are attracting a leader just as you are. So go for it, friends, go for it. Let's see your romance angels and then we're gonna look at your charms. Ooh, attraction. You are attracting romantic love by enjoying this movement fully. So enjoy yourself, friends. Enjoy the new romance coming your way and enjoy the healing that's happening for you in your past relationships also. And don't forget that you are the power, you are the attractor. People are wanting you. Let's see your charms. Option number 1. Who is coming for them in April? Ooh, I dropped a charm. Let's see. Which never happens actually. Dropping of charms. Look at this. The hammer. So we're gonna look at these shortly. Let's first see the initials, numbers. Ooh, the mobile phone. So maybe you are going to connect with this new person through an online date or dating site or something like that. So your letters are Leo. Oh my god, this person's name could be Leo. Oh my god, that's very specific. Or they could be, their name is Leo, their sun sign is Leo, or they have a cat or something named Leo. I do feel a cat named Leo, or someone they know, like their family has a cat, like sister has a cat or brother has a cat named Leo. Ole. The name can be Lee also. I keep getting the name Lee. She could be a girl named Lee. Lord Ganesha is here. So this is a very, very prosperous and this is a very destined and beautiful connection. So, enjoy, friends. Number 7 is important. This person could be born in July. Number 18. And number 19 is important. My throat is really cracking today. Never happens. No, I have not been eating ice creams. Haven't eaten them in a year. I miss them so much. So, yeah, Leo. Wow, that's interesting. So, hammer, I do feel that someone could be a doctor, a healer that's coming your way. They could be someone who is a builder, like engineer or something, someone who builds, an architect or something, a designer, someone who builds things. The hat, yes, I do feel this is a very protective person, someone who wants to love you, protect you, take care of you. The shoe, this person could be someone who likes walking, or you may meet them outdoors, or you may have long walks, romantic walks and talks with them. And look at that, hello, I am a bad idea. So, yeah, you may feel that, somebody, your ex, is coming and you're like, oh no, not again. But I do see two energies. I do see someone calling up on your mobile phones, talking. So, a lot of energy is happening: mobile phones, connections, dating sites, messages, planning, talks, walks. And look at that. Stay peaceful. Somewhere I feel. You're anxious about love, it makes you worried about. When you think about love, I feel like you are stressed because it wastes your time in some way. But that's not what is gonna happen this time. I feel this is a very strong, this is a beautiful, peaceful energy. So focus on the peace. Golden leaf, it is like someone wants to offer you a gift. And this trumpet, divine timing, divine messages. Someone could be a musician that's coming your way, or music is important. I also feel that this is about an important message coming to you. So keep your eyes open. In April, you will get some important messages about, or someone might message you and it is important. So keep your eyes open. King of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You could be dealing with that, or it could be your own sun sign. Water, yes, emotions. A lot of emotional energy. And look at that, King of Cups, a water energy. Someone very caring, someone all heart, someone all love, someone pure heart is coming. Seven of Cups, choices in love are coming. Yes. Dolphin, stay playful, friends. Enjoy your life. Don't take love so seriously. Don't take life so seriously, because right now you are doing that. If you're a student, I see you're focused too much on studies. So maybe love is not on your mind, but you're watching this reading, so it's definitely in your heart. Neptune, someone from the past, someone who confused you is coming. Seven of Air, yeah, someone who ghosted you, they are coming. They are thinking about you in April. Friend, yeah, this person could be a friend, this person could be an ex, or someone will, a new friend could be, you might be getting a new friend which will develop into a romance. White, focus on peace. Hope, stay hopeful about your love life. Blue is like intense love, intelligent lover, someone who is very mature, someone who knows how to handle a love like yours. X, yes, Neptune, Seven of Air. X, you are going to two energies, friends. Thank you for confirming, angels. Ten of Wands, you already had that card. Here it is, Ten of Wands. You are like frustrated, you are like, my god, you are busy. Take a break. Prince of Coins, Cancer, Capricorn, Virgo, Pisces person. A family, yes, family is very important to you, or someone might become a family to you this month. Knight of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. And November, someone born in November is important. Or Three of Airs, yes, heartache. Three of Air is also here, heartache. You are healing, friends. You are recovering from a past breakup, and you will meet someone which may, start as friendship or like friends. But then I do feel in November or July, things will get more romantic with you and this person. Go your own way. So, yes, you have the right to choose whatever you want. Don't listen to family or anyone else. Choose your own path. You are unique. Yes, you are. You are attracting a lot of people. You are very, very unique, friends. So, friends, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe, Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye-bye. So, friends, if you chose option number 2, let us see who is coming next for you in your love life. Singles, we're gonna see with charms also who is coming for you. So, if you chose this pile number 2, the King of Wands, practicalities, someone very romantic, someone very passionate as well as practical, a very good, a passionate connection. I feel someone who is also very lucky is coming towards you. Let's see. These are your oracle messages, love messages. We're gonna look at them shortly, and then your charms. Pile number 2. Let's see. Oh, nice, very nice energy. I feel currently you're feeling very left out. You're feeling very unhappy or left out or bored out of life, actually. It's like you're feeling bored. You are like, nah. Maybe the person you want is not talking with you. You are in long distance, no contact with them. I also feel you are very bored. You are like nothing exciting is happening in life. It's all you routine. It's all same old stories. You want some change. You want some you know, some excitement. And you feel right now unfulfilled. You feel right now not happy, bored, lacking excitement. But I do feel you're also waiting for somebody, someone who is not in contact with you, who is in long distance, maybe a past lover. You're waiting for them. But it feels like, in April, things will be moving forward towards forward for you in your love life. Things will be moving ahead. I definitely see some of you might be traveling, or someone is traveling towards you. I also feel that someone from long distance will try to message you, someone who lives in another city or country, or someone from another city or country will meet you, will try to reach, connect with you. But I do see that your love life is moving forward. That's what I see with this card. You feeling moving out of this stuck and bored energy, like, oh, I'm bored as AF. I'm bored AF. But finally in April, you get some hope, you get some relief, things looking up, things moving forward. And let's see. Yes, I do see a very successful relationship coming your way, and your mood will automatically shift also in April, because I do see your, some success coming to you in work, in your career, and some sort of a success, like maybe you will have some results are coming out, you will be successful there, or some sort of victory is coming in your work and career. A promotion is coming, so you will nevertheless feel very happy and positive. You will feel excited about life. But I do see that some sort of a progress. Again, 6-6. Wow, these cards are both 6-6. So a romance, a spiritual soulmate energy is coming towards you, and very, very quickly. I feel this person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, King of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is coming towards you. Yeah, I do feel that, this month you will be shifting out of your comfort zone. You will be shifting, doing things which are not normally your forte. Like, you are changing your routine, you are changing your fitness, you are getting more fit, you are getting more into exercising, yoga, dancing, or you are attracting people which are like this, fit people, dancing, people who like to dance, people who are from another city or country, people who are different than what you are, so very, very different people. And it is a wonderful thing, because it will make you feel very excited. You will love to hear about their culture, what they do, their passions. So this person, this relationship is out of your comfort zone. They are very different than whoever you have dated in the past. And even as you are as a person, this person is different who is coming towards you. Wow. So let's see what else. Oh, Fool, a new start. Definitely a brand new start is coming. So I see this is a fresh romance. This is somebody who likes, who is a traveler, who travels a lot, or who likes, you might meet this person through a travel page or a community about traveling. They might also be animal friendly. They have a dog, or you meet them while taking your dog out, or your pet, walking or something. This is a fresh start in your love life. This is a brand new connection coming your way. You may meet this person when you have traveled. They might have shifted near your place. They are settling down in your apartment, buildings, apartment complex, or somewhere near. They could be your neighbor, recently moved there, or you have moved to their city or country. So, a lot of shifts, a lot of positive energy is here in your love life in April. It's a new start and a brand new one. Yes, I do see that this is a love that you are manifesting. This is somebody you are manifesting. This is exactly like whatever you have prayed for or you are hoping for. For some of you, I feel like this is a person which, if you are asking for a past person to return back, yes, there is a chance they might come back. But I see this is a new person coming back, someone you are manifesting, someone who is perfect for your wishes, for your desires, and your needs, but they might look different. You may be expecting a past person, but you are getting a new lover. So keep your mind open, friends. And I do feel that this person is different than you are. You are opposites, which attracts. So keep your mind a little open. They are trying to manifest you, and this is a manifestation coming true. If you are single from a long time, trust this person. You can trust this person. You will have some tough time trusting them or trusting or believing that love is coming for you, but trust it. And what else? Wow, Knight of Rods. So this person is very, very focused on their career, on their passion. They may be a musician, an actor, a model. They are very passionate about whatever they do. They are also rich. They are also famous, I feel. They are very good looking. So you will know this person when you see them, and they are very sure about you also. So there is an intense chemistry between you and them. And the King of Rods, yes, this person could be your twin flame. This person could be the potential. They have the potential to be your divine masculine, your divine feminine. So don't be quick to say no to them, because this is a new person. And if you felt confused, like you may have thought your soulmate or twin flame is someone else in the past, but I think this is the person who is coming. They are your true and real soulmate, twin flame. So be a little careful. And also when you meet them, this person is more focused on their work, and you might meet through work or through traveling or through common places, interest. But as time moves on, this person will become very sure and open about their love for you. Yes, the sun. This is a very, very beautiful and positive connection that's coming your way. This person will keep you happy. There is mutual attraction and love, and going out, sharing food, going out, exploring, talking, sharing. So there is a lot of mutual attraction and sharing. And not just that, the High Priestess. So this is a very, very intense telepathic connection between you and them. So this person feels very connected with you, and you will have a lot many signs when this person comes into your life in April. You will see a lot of 111, 666, 444. So or one I do see a lot of signs coming out when you before or right before meeting this person. And you might also have some dreams. This person will really respect you, because they see you as this beautiful high priestess or high priest. They like your intelligence. So you may meet them in your school or college or universities, also at your workplaces. But I see mostly social media or neighborhood, someone who comes and recently there. So look at that, milk and honey. Yes, this person will take care of you. They will also protect you, I feel. They will take care of your every need, like this person is, this new romance is like, hey baby, have you taken your food? Go to sleep, do be well, have some, take care, don't work so hard. They are like that, And look at that here and now. Yeah, I feel you are waiting for somebody from the past. And you may not want to meet a new lover. But I feel this is time, you should focus on the here and now, what is present in front of you rather than the past. Even though I know it's not easy to let go, but try and see how it works with this person also, because I feel this is something destined that's happening. Let's see what will happen next. Surrender. I can release any need to control. Yeah, this is a month to surrender your love life or control. Don't try and control your love life. Like, I want this person only from my past. I don't want to date anybody new. No, 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 no. Of course, you have free will, but try and let go of expectations. Things can be better than your expectations, right? Let's see what your relationship will be like. Ooh, heal thyself. So, yes, you are healing yourself. Number 24. You are healing yourself. You are healing your heart. Things are getting better for you. And definitely, this will mean that your manifestations, your prayers will come true very quickly. And let's see what else. Moving on, yes, you are moving to a new love. You are moving towards secure relationships, towards comforting relationships, mutual love and passion. And giving and receiving, yes, again a 6. So 6 is very important. Maybe 6 is the life path number of this person whom you are attracting. Giving and receiving, so this person is very kind and very nurturing relationship. There will be an equal give and take. So let's see your romance angels messages. Let's see that. Past life relationship, you have known each other before, so I do see somebody you have known in your past life is coming towards you. An intense connection, a very friendly and beautiful connection is coming towards you. So say yes. I don't know what you are waiting for. Say yes, try and see how it goes. Let's see your charms. Option number 2. Who is coming for them in April? Oh my god, I saw the wedding ring. So you might end up marrying this person. You have the wedding ring here. That's interesting. Let's just separate the cards a bit. All right, so let's see. So the initials are S, N, V, and L. So those are the initials. S, L, N, and V. I don't know. S, L could be a country for you, and V, N could also be initials or country for you. V, N, S, L. The numbers are number 10, so that is important, and number 17. Wonderful. So you have the wedding ring. So you might meet this person through marriage proposals or through a matrimony site. I also feel this person will be the one you will end up with getting married. So they might propose marriage very quickly to you. The queen, yes, this person will take care of you. And I also feel they will be very rich and very, very wealthy emotionally as well as financially. You have the angel wing. This is a very blessed connection. You can count on this person, so don't worry. The female hat, I feel like this, if she's a woman, if you are a man and this is a woman you are attracting, she's very feminine as well as a very strong person. And if you are a man, our viewers, then this person is, you are attracting a man. If you are a female and you are attracting a man, this is a very kind-hearted person. The hat also, pink hat, is like very loving, very, very, how do you say, soothing connection, soft connection. And flower, yes, this person might give you flowers when they meet you. So what else? Let's see. And the Casablanca tree of life. Yeah, I do feel this person and you will end up marrying, or you will have a strong deep roots in this relationship. The message in a bottle, I do feel this person has secret feelings, or they already know you but they have not told you how they feel, and they will be telling you in April, or you might propose them, because you love them, you like them also. Three of hearts. So yeah, there will be a celebration. If you have been in third party, remember, things are healing. You are moving towards healing, and things will get better. This is about a very telepathic connection. This blue card, they might have a blue car. This is the green boot is about money. This is a very lucky relationship for you. This leaf is about happiness coming your way and letting go of the past. Cinderella, yes, this is a lucky find. You may feel like a Cinderella, or this may feel like a fairy tale to you. So money, yeah, the money is important. Maybe you will connect through money or through work. Past life connection, yes, this is a past life relationship for you. And what else? One of Cups, Ace of Cups. This is a new romance or a Definitely a new connection. Eight of Wands, a lot of talking, a lot of communications. Ace of Wands, there is a mutual passion, attraction. Water, yes, a very emotional person. Saturn, yes, it is a fated connection. Saturn, past life, yes, Saturn rules your past life. This is a past life person. Ten of Coins, yes, family, you are destined to marry this person, build a family together. Five of Coins, yes, you have been hurt before, but Prince of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Nine of Cups, happiness, a wish come true will happen for you. And Seven of Cups, so yeah, you will be a slight confusion will be there to choose them or wait for the past person, but I do see eventually this is destined. So creativity, yes, use your creativity if you are manifesting a new love. They are coming in April for you, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share, join us on Insta, and to buy a personal reading visit our website. And for now, bye bye. So friends, if you chose option number 3, this beautiful King of Pentacles, this is a very beautiful card. This has trust. So yeah, this is a very trustworthy connection, or something very strong, very confident and trustworthy is coming towards you. This is a charms reading, friends. So we are going to look with the charms also who is coming. This is your oracle messages and this is your tarot. Let's see who is coming for you in April, singles. I feel someone very trustworthy, dependable, and someone you can count upon, someone who wants to build a slow and steady relationship with you. Let's see who is it. Ooh, my God. All right. Well, I do feel like recently you have moved on with somebody, or from some relationship, maybe from a job or a career or some education. You are moving on, or you have left a city or a country. I feel like there is this energy of moving on. Maybe someone left you or you left somebody. I feel it is our viewers who left someone. You are not very happy about this change, but you had to do what was necessary. You had to do things which were right. I also feel someone may have walked away from you. Yeah, I do feel that. They have turned their back on you, or you have turned, each other have turned their back on this connection. Some of you are not feeling very happy about love. You are like, nah, love is just a game of it's just like a musical chair. Sometimes love, like you keep running, and when the music stops you have to find your chair. If you don't, you run out of time, you are out. So timing is, maybe you are disappointed with the timing in life. Maybe you feel like time is running out, you haven't met the right person. You are supposed to be getting married, you are supposed to be having kids by now. What is happening? So you are a bit like disappointed. You're also you're also unhappy about moving on from somebody, or someone moving away from you. Seven of Cups, yes, you're very confused about your love life, about your future, about what you feel also. I feel there is a lot of confusion in your heart, maybe regarding a relationship, or I feel like you're confused about quite a few things. You're not sure how a person feels, or even how you feel about your love life, or about love, or life in general. There is a lot of confusions in your mind, in your heart. And look at that, Five of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of conflict and arguments, maybe with family. You're fighting a lot with family, or the family is pressurizing you, or someone's family was pressurizing you, some lover's family or your family, really different religion, cultures. I also feel your heart and mind are saying different things right now. Your heart says to go back, your mind says nope, not a good idea. There's a lot of conflict. I also feel someone has been very argumentative with you. They were arguing with you. They were not listening to you, honoring or trusting you. So yeah, that is there. It feels like conflict with a lover or a partner. I feel like, I don't know why, it feels like a massive change is coming in your love life, a transformation is coming, big changes are coming. Maybe this relationship ended in the past, but you are still missing that person, they are still missing you. So, big changes are coming in your love life. So, stay positive, friends, stay positive. This is not a time to give up. This is a time to bring peace in your love life. I also feel your love is affected by family a lot, or religion, culture, expectations. They are becoming, these external influences are affecting your love life. So you might have to distance people in April. You might move away or out from family. You might shift or relocate to some other city and country, and that might bring you peace. That might bring you some sense of balance, some sense of clarity, and it will also end these conflicts in your life or within your heart. Yes, I do see someone is missing you, friend. Someone is really missing you from the past. Someone who is in no contact, who left you, long distance relationship. They want to be back with you in April. This person is crying for you. They want you back. This person can't live without you, I feel. They may have walked away from you in very much, like, hey, I'm not gonna come back. But in April, they are coming back because they can't live. They feel they miss you. They thought they will not miss you, but now they are like, I can't live without you. I also feel that maybe this person, the marriage issue was a problem between you and them. Maybe this is a same sex relationship for some of you, and it's not accepted by anybody at your home, their home, or you are not open about it, or they don't want you to share it openly or publicly. So it's becoming a problem. But I do feel religion, culture, family was in third party in this connection. But I feel this person wanna rise out of it. They want to rise above these challenges. Maybe this person was married and they were not able to give you time, or maybe the you both are married, so that was the issue. But somewhere this person wants you back, and that's for sure. They want to do justice to you, they want to do things right for you. This person is loving you a lot. They feel very attracted towards you. They feel this stimulating passion for you. I do feel there will be a chance of this person from your past coming back. And if you have been really single, there is a very lustful connection coming back, coming new into your life. A very lustful, a very sexy, steamy connection, but from a different religion, culture, or entirely different type of a person. Someone who is tattooed, someone who is, whatever is different to you, someone which is not accepted, by people normally. That kind of a person is coming, and the passions are hot. It's hot. Maybe they are a musician, maybe they are a nomad. If you haven't dated anybody, then this is somebody who is a hippie, and a man or a woman, and they are coming. And people might say, oh, you shouldn't be with this person, they are not the right type, they won't be loyal. But I think they are loyal because you chose the King of Pentacles. I think this person's appearances mislead, friends. You may find good-looking people doing bad things, and bad people and bad, people with stigmas. Like, oh, they have tattoos, they have long hair, they are a hippie, they are this, they are that. They can be as pure as gold also. So don't listen to people. Make your own judgments and keep your heart open. There will be a lot of chemistry, a lot of sexual chemistry. I also see if you had someone moved away from you, which there was a lot of fighting with that person. They want to come back. Definitely. Moon, yes, this person and you will have long night talks. I see you having a lot of dreams, a lot of messages, and this person keeps haunted by your dreams, your images, your pictures, and you also keep looking at their social media. So you guys will have a long night, dreamy chats, talks, all night talks. This person is your soulmate who is coming for you in April. Definitely, you guys have you guys know their heart, and they know your heart. The souls understand. The hearts know the hearts know who is the right person. Sometimes other people only see on the surface. The heart sees what is in the heart of another person, right? This person loves you, they care for you. I feel you may have known this person through high school, or when you were kids also, or even if they are a new person, you will feel like a child with them, like this innocent, happy person with them. And King of Swords, look at that. So, yeah, you could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel your person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, a very strong Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer. So they could be a strong Scorpio or Pisces, or you both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel there will be very clear communications in this relationship. No more fighting, no more arguments because of other people. You guys will distance everybody who comes in between you and this connection. So there is like you will be moving out, or they will be leaving others who were coming. You were who's blocking this connection from moving ahead. Eight of Pentacles, yes. This person wants to work on this connection. You both will build a strong friendship, a strong relationship. You guys are perfect, and you both will take time to work and nurture this relationship. Excellent. And the Page of Swords, look at that. So there might be some age gap between you and this person. I also feel that you are both very similar in your mental emotion, your future, what you need, what you expect, and in your communications also. So you may have to be a little bit, if you are angry, this person is also angry. If you are upset, they are also upset. So you have to find or work to finding ways. You have to be compatible. If you both are upset, who will make say sorry, who will patch up, so you have to work on that. You have to build on this thing. You have to find ways to build this relationship into ways like, like if they are upset, you say sorry. If you are upset, sometimes they say sorry. So you will have to work on these things. Not every relationship is perfect. We all need to work on something. So that is it, what I feel here for you. You may also meet this person through work. Humor. I choose to focus on the lighter side of life. Yes, the lighter side of life. That's what I'm telling you. Don't be too serious. You both are very, very serious. You both are ambitious people. You both are very strong and very fixated people. But you should bring humor. You should be like, yeah, life is fun. And similarities are a good thing. Similarity is a good thing. You should enjoy that instead of feeling affected or offended by it. Awareness, number 13. So yeah, this is a very awakened person, or slowly their love is awakening for you, especially if they are a person from the past. They are changing their understanding about themselves, and this connection is changing. Blossom, number 20. Yes, things are going to blossom, bloom in your love life. Things are gonna be steamy, hot, passionate. I see that, make up and break up and make up again. And success and growth, number 8. So this is something destined. This is fated for you. Success is coming for you, friends, in your love life. And peace, you look at this. So much of pink, so much heart energy. All these struggles, conflicts are bye-bye in April. So let's see any other message for pile number 3. Then we're gonna look at your charms. Ooh, chop wood. So yeah, you definitely will be, someone wants to work on their connection with you. They want to work hard on making this connection work. And yes, they want to do things right. They want to do things by the book. But I think sometimes you should toss the rules. You should never follow a recipe always, as it says, like, if everybody started to add just what is mentioned, like 2 cups of two teaspoons of sugar and 1 spoon of salt, if we all keep following the rules, there would be no fun. Life would be dull. Come on. So so you need to break some rules and build some new ones. Let's see your romance and angel's message, and then your charms. Let go of control. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. So yeah, don't try and control your love life. I think you want somebody from your past, or you want to be like, this person should behave like that or this way. But I think someone new is coming. Someone new is coming, and someone from the past is coming too. But you have to let love be. Don't try and control it. It will run away. So let's see your charms. Option number 3, who is coming? All right, and I have this blue bead which also jumped out. Today, the charms are jumping out, which usually never happens. So let's see, these are your numbers. I'll just arrange them a little so we can focus on more closely. All right, so we have number 4 here. So 4th of the month or 4th of April is important, and look at that. What is it? Tea. So you might meet this person through common friends or over a tea party or something. Tea, I don't know what that means. Tea, maybe their name is Tia or something. 8. Yeah, maybe this person is a foodie, or you might meet them through while on a festival or something, or through family. AE and TE. So let's see your numbers. Number 17, and 17 came in all the piles, I think. Number 44, so 444. Again, a 4 is important. Maybe this person is a life path number 4. And look at that, the pearl. Yes, this is something very unique. Your relationships, you are the pearl. You are very unique. Pink hat, be kind to yourself, friends. Be kind and gentle. Don't try to fight or, don't try to control the situation. Allow love to come towards you. Sexual chemistry, lust, a lot of sexual chemistry. Winds of windmill, change, a positive reunion. Wedding bells. For some of you, you may meet this person at a wedding. For some of you, this person will be the future person you will marry. In future you will marry them. So, woohoo! And the baby cycle. So yeah, this person is into fitness, or you might meet them at a baby shower of someone, or they might be into fitness, so you might meet them in gymming or something, or while in your neighborhood, they are cycling or something. The blue bead is the bead for intelligence. This person and you are, this is the communications the communications are very intense in this relationship. So sometimes you will have to find ways to sometimes you may fight, sometimes you may talk all night long. That is how I feel it is. Tree of life. Yes, this is a very long connection, long lasting, stable and secure connection. The crown, they want to crown you as the queen. They want you to be the queen or the king of their heart. And look at that, the rose, beautiful. This is a divine, pure love. Even though people may judge this connection, or you may judge them, or they may judge you, but the love is intense. The love between you both is pure. And third party, yeah, you may have been struggling with third party. Your love life is affected by religion, culture, family, expectations, everyone judging you or the person, even this new person coming in, or the past person. So you have to move away, give some space to your love life or yourself. The plate, yes, a very, very fulfilling relationship is coming. Let's see. Queen of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Three of Wands, expansion in your love life is coming. And August, so you may meet this person in August, or things will get even more better in August in your love life. And a crush is coming, someone very smoochy, someone very, excellent kisser is coming. Something will happen that will make you happy. So that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye bye.